After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to look at the top left of your screen and make sure you are clicking on this Tax Home button. After that, you want to scroll all the way down and you will see this, your tax return and documents, and you want to click on them, which will open up this window, and on top of it, make sure that you choose on year 2025 to have an access or view your 2025 tax return. And after you choose the year, you may click right here on Amend or Change 2025 Return. Later on, this little tab will pop up and you want to click on Amend using TurboTax Online button right here. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.